Hello, people who are watching this video. So, if you have subscribed to me and have been watching my videos for a little while now, so well, uh, then you probably know I've been uploading for a long time. Little Bill, what? I love you too. Anyways, Little Bill, sorry about that. My dog just came up to me and started licking my face. Anyways, you will, you're probably wondering why I've been uploading videos and what is going on. Probably wondering why I haven't been uploading videos, and that's because I think my dog's hot. No, that's not why. Uh, that's because of school, and uh, I have not been playing Animal Jam because I tried to reset my email, I mean password, and I never got the password reset email, so my mom had to email them about that, and they said that something like AOL can't get the email or something like that, something along those lines, and they said that she can reset the email, so she sent an email that she wants for the reset email thing. So I so we are waiting on a reply for that, but I have been uploading videos because kind partly of that and partly because of school. And so thank you for watching. Bye.